Hagas ngiu bele beladep kata haka arpoh nyau tarik ubnail ber arajar arpoar kabalang Katolik shenong nongsder kalayo ban sakhi ya kejing pli ya kejing mane ka bathamai haka balawan ban pli ya kene kejing mane do Most Reverend Bishop Victor Lengdo ubadiu Archbishop jong Shillong Archdiocese rengkat kajing don lang jong ifadar rangba ifadar Robert Portman ibadai i parish priest haka jing don lang ro jong giriu rangba ki bakentup ngi kli nong sensyar shenong kinong ilam seng baper kinong hikai school bat kilong kemi kilong kupa haka ba kumba khandai spa ngutam kilawan ban sakhi haka ne kasngi.
It's gift from love we will celebrate the Son of God who loves.